Welcome to our tutorial about Pack and Go in SolidWorks 2011. There are some extra functionalities for the Pack and Go tool now. Let's begin by opening our assembly. Navigate to the folder for Lesson 33. Let's select the assembly. A References button appears below. Let's press it. Here we can edit referenced file locations. We've got parts A and B here, and here are their paths. They're in the subfolders A and B under Lesson 33. Cancel out of this window. And let's open our assembly. I've got a custom background here. We can see where that's located as well. There's the path, folder C under Lesson 33. Background.jpg. Cancel out. I've also got a decal at the part level. Right-click, open part. The decal image is also located in folder C. Under Lesson 3, there's the image file path. Now, before doing anything else, let's change the lighting for this scene. Let's go to the Appearances tab. Expand the Lights branch. Let's right-click on Directional 1 and select Edit Directional Light. Let's just make it a little bit brighter. OK. Now I'm going to save all my components to a single folder. We can do this in two different ways. Let's go to File and scroll down to Find References. Here I can see that my assembly is located in folder L33 with parts A and B in folders A and B respectively. We're able to print this list, or if we select Copy List, we can, for example, paste it into a text file. And let's close Notepad. Don't save. Let's click on Copy Files. This opens the Pack and Go dialog window. Let's close this window for now. There's another way to open Pack and Go from the File menu. Just scroll down and select Pack and Go. And back to the same dialog window. Here we've got a number of options. We can choose a flat or nested view. We can include drawings. We can choose a folder to save it to. I can simply type the folder path here with a backslash and enter the folder name. SolidWorks will then create this folder. Or I can click Browse and navigate to an existing folder or create a new folder. I'll select Pack and Go and click OK. We can save the file as a zipped file as well. We're able to add a prefix or a suffix. I'm going to choose Flatten to Single Folder. When this option is checked, SolidWorks ignores the assembly structure and saves all the files to a single folder. Some new options in SolidWorks 2011. We can check here to include simulation results. We're also able to include custom decals, appearances, and scenes, which I do have in my assembly. You'll remember that my logo and my background were images that I'd created and stored in folder C. We have the option to include default decals, appearances, and scenes as well. At this point, I'm ready to save. Let's click Save. And SolidWorks saves everything to a single folder. Let's take a look. Let me drag in the Pack and Go folder from Windows Explorer. SolidWorks 2011 gives us the option to store decals, appearances, and scene data right in the model file as well. Let's go to Options, Document Properties tab. Let's click on the Model Display branch. And let's check Store Appearance, Decal, and Scene Data in Model File. Note, will increase file size. Naturally, this option does increase the size of your model. And this concludes our review of Pack and Go updates in SolidWorks 2011.